In this video, we're going to be creating an n8n workflow that scrapes Twitter posts about a cryptocurrency coin. The AI then analyzes those tweets for new for key news and price predictions, and then sends us an email with the summary, the key news, and the price prediction. All right, so let's get started. So the first node is going to be trigger, and we want the email to be sent every day at, like, let's say 9 a.m. So the first one is the trigger will be the on a schedule node. We choose days between triggers, one, and trigger at hour. Let's put it at 9 a.m. and just go back to the canvas, and that's it for the trigger. That's it. Now let's go to Apify, and I already have an account here, so just create an account, and then go to the store here, and we want to scrape the tweets. But you can scrape anything. You can scrape TikTok, websites, Google Maps. We have a lot of options here. So we want to scrape the tweets. So just search for tweets. First of all, let me guys tell you that Apify is you can create an account for free, and every month you will get a $5 usage and 8 GB of RAM. But if you need to add more, you can add more. And the way it charges you is, if, let's say, you click on this, you see here on the top, it's uh, $40 per 1,000 tweets. Yeah, which is a lot for this one, but you have other options here. This is 25 cents per 1,000 tweets, which we will be using this one, because this one, even though it's the most popular, this one does not, like, it won't work for free plans. Like, if you're using only the $5 per month, it will not work. If you see here, I didn't know about that, and so when you click that, you see here, let's go to the log. See, users with 3 can receive a maximum of 10, and you cannot use the API with the free plan, so it's useless with the free plan. Don't waste your money, your free credits, the $5 credits on this scraper. uh, Let me search again. Tweet. So use this one. This one is 25 cents for 1,000 tweet. So uh, so we're going to be using this one. Yes. But okay. So let me show you guys that when you create the node. So n8n added the Apify node. So before we had to use the HTTP request, but now it added Apify. So when you click on it, it will ask you to install the node. You just install it, and you want to choose run an actor and get dataset node, this one. So you choose this one. You need to create a credential, so you need the API key, and you get that by going to the settings here. Go to settings, and then go to API and integrations, and then just copy this API token. You just copy this one, copy it, and add it here and just save and just that's it. Okay, so now we want the resource as an actor operation get run an actor on get dataset, and I'm using recently used actors and I can choose this one. But since you guys haven't, if you guys haven't used it, you need to choose by URL and then go over here, copy this one and add it here and just paste it here. That's it. So now we need to set our the fields that we want for the tweet scraper. So the tweet ID will have something added here. You need to remove that because we want for me for this example we want to search the tweet content. We don't want a tweet ID. And search terms, delete, remove that. Maximum number of items, it's optional, but you can put it at 1000 because it's 25 cents for 1000 tweet. And the tweet content, we want to search for the crypto coin called Doge. So we will just put this dollar sign in Doge, and that's it. But if you guys want to choose another crypto coin or you want to choose anything even not related to crypto coin, just put what you want to search for in here. And then user based filters, remove anything here unless you want to search from the exact user that's sending those tweets. Geo based, remove that. Time based, uh, if there's a time period that you want, you put this over here. Type based filters, we don't need to add anything here. Filter engagement based filter, here I added 20 minimum retweets because I don't want any tweet to be added. I wanted it from people who are kinda well known. So I put minimum retweets at 20, minimum replies at 5. That's it. But you can put whatever you guys want. Media based, I don't have anything here. And filter links, I don't have anything also here. That's it. But now, what you want to do is you want to go to the JSON over here and you want to copy this code. Just copy this and go back here and put it over here. And that's it. Now we can run this node. Let's run it. If you go back here, you see it's running one. It's running. The request is running right now. Okay, so we got it. So there's 158 tweets. Yeah, and if you see here, this is what we search for, and it will bring the tweets that has this in it, has this Doge, dollar sign Doge in it. So this one will be tough to read. We don't want to go through all of this. So what we can do is we want to aggregate if we want to aggregate the tweet contents, that because that's the only thing that we're interested in. So you just drag and drop the text in here, execute, and it should add everything together, only the text. Okay, so now we need to use AI to actually uh, search through the tweets and get the information that we want. For example, we want like the recent news of that crypto coin, or we want anything like technical analysis of what people are saying. Are they saying it's bullish, or are they saying it's bearish, whether it's going to go up or down? So we need to use AI for it, and just search for AI, and we're gonna use Google Gemini because it's free, and select message a model. So in here, choose you need to create a credential. It's pretty easy. Uh, just choose 2.5 flash, and in here we need to give it a prompt. So I'm not really good at writing prompt, and so you can actually ask the AI to write you a prompt, a well written prompt. So what I did was go to ChatGPT and look what I told it. So I am creating an n8n workflow that uses Apify to scrape tweets that are related to the crypto coin Doge. And then I want the AI to summarize the latest news and price predictions and analysis. Create a prompt for me to give to the AI model. And it gave me this. You are an AI analyst specializing in cryptocurrency social sentiment. You will receive a batch of raw tweets scraped from Apify that are related to Doge cryptocurrency. Your job is to analyze them and return structured format. And it's given us a JSON format, which will be useful for us because then we can add it into Google Sheets. If you have one paragraph summary, you can put this as the, the field in their key news price prediction. So it's much more useful for us if it's in JSON format. So you just copy this, go over here and put the prompt here. Let's see. Yeah, this is what we wanted. But you want to add you want to put the output content as JSON because you want the output in JSON. And you want to add another message, and you want to tell it, here are the tweets, and just drag and drop the text. That's it. Now let's execute this step. It usually takes like a maybe 30 seconds because it's going through all these tweets and then generating an analysis and whatnot. So okay, so let's go to the JSON. But if you see here, it put everything inside the text field. We don't want that. We want one paragraph summary instead of text, and then it give you this. Then we want, let's say, key news, like another field inside text, and whatever inside it put. So you can actually copy this, copy selection, go back here and look what I said. I am getting this output after messaging the model, and I just copy pasted exactly what I got there, and said your model did the following. This is normal, but you need the JSON text inside, and it told you how to make it as we want, how to extract only the JSON object. So you just copy this code, and we want to add a new node, code in JavaScript, and just paste it over here. That's it. That's it. You see, one paragraph summary, key news, price predictions. That's what we wanted. So you can use AI to help you with anything. Like if something's not working properly, just tell it, just give it the the output that you got and tell it how can I fix it, for example, if you got an error. So now we can actually do what we wanted to do. We want to send the email now. So we're basically done. So you just switch email, send a message, put the email that you want to send it to, subject, daily, tweet, daily, Doge, tweets, analysis, or actually summary. Email type, we want it as text, and let's add the message now. Okay, so first we can put the one paragraph summary. Let's put summary like this and go down. We say key news, put the key news, then price prediction, put the price prediction, then market sentiment, it's bullish. That's pretty useful because it tells you whether it's bullish or bearish, whether it's going up, going down, and yeah, that's it. We don't need the notable quotes. That's it. Let's close it. Let's see any other options that we want. No. So let's execute this step and send the email. Success. Uh, Let me open my email, and this is what we got. Summary: the overall sentiment was predominantly driven by the anticipated launch. It even gives you why it's bullish, which is good. Key news, dark spot, interesting. Price predictions, 4 mega core support. It's giving us good technical analysis. It's actually pretty useful. That was nice, and it didn't take a long time. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy workflow to create. So I hope you guys, yeah, this is it. If you guys don't want to send an email, you guys want to, for example, add it into Google Sheets, you can do that as well. And with it being as JSON data, it will be much easier to add it into a Google Sheet. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys like this video and you want to watch more tutorials like that, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.